Hi, welcome back. In this we'll try to run Docker, run in daemon mode on port 9999:18. Which one? HTTPD colon 2.4 Docker PS. See. Now if we go to copy colon 9999, we'll be seeing HTTPD. It works. This is the default page. You can go attach into it and try to change these things. These are the basics. Now we have a Docker running two containers within it. We have basically seen how to pull a container, how to push a container to repository, how to attach into a container, how to run the container in daemon mode and in interactive mode. These are the basic things. There is a whole lot more to learn. I hope that these few set of videos, like 5 videos, will be helping you to understand the basics of Docker, and from then on you can move learning new things. Thanks for spending time listening these, and sorry if I am wrong anywhere. Thanks.